Ever been there? Cruising along, feeling like a boss, when your car throws a mechanical middle finger your way. Warning lights flashing like a disco ball, and that big red triangle on the dash staring at you like you just spilt coffee on the engine. Don't worry, you're not alone. Today we're tackling car malfunctions head on, and with a little help from a friend I like to call the Launch CRP, what's his name? That's right, the Launch CRP123e version 2. Version 2 because apparently the first version tried to take over the world. Don't worry, that's been debugged. This bad boy is our secret weapon against car craziness. It's like a translator for your malfunctioning machine, deciphering its weird noises and flashing lights into something us mere mortals can understand. So buckle up, because we're about to diagnose some car drama and get you back on the road faster than you can say Triangle of Doom. All right, settle down there everyone. Ben's got himself a new gadget, and you best believe it ain't some kid's fidget spinner. This here is the Launch CRP123e version 2. The ultimate weapon against car coughs, sputters, and whatever else is ailing your rusty bucket of bolts. Brake reset, oil reset, steering angle reset, battery reset, brake bleeding, electric throttle relearn, DPF regeneration. They're the only resets it's got. Diagnose, OBD. Not connected to the vehicle. Mail, battery voltage, data, updates, settings, unit of measurement, all that kind of screen capture. Display brightness, right. Sound, network, time zone, language. As you would expect. Diagnose, there might be demo mode on it. Demo. There's demo mode on it. Switch off. Power off. This is the OBD cable. Fits into there, plugs into your car, USB charging, plug that into your USB source. Enough of this unboxing nonsense, let's plug it in the car and see what it can really do. Now the one downside to these cars, that these scan tools that need updating, it wanted to do updates, so I've had to drive up to the house to get Wi-Fi signal because I can't use my phone as a hotspot. We're only on pay as you go. I don't get an allowance for data. So, and I just drove down to the house so that we can get some information. Internet, that's the one. So I'm just going to let it do its downloads and then we'll try it again. We'll see. So this is the boost actuator. This is what the problem was on them before. So just give it some revs. check the airflow meters. They look a bit all over the place. So we have battery voltage, coolant temperature, got all your injector balancing offsets, which would tell you if your injectors were out. Driver requested torque, what's that all about? Combine. Battery voltage is 13.8, coolant 65, torque don't know how it works that out. Anyway, oh no, let's go back into that. Nothing in there, no fault codes. Gives you vehicle information. Tells you what options it's got. So on and so forth. Right, see what reset functions it's got. So we've got brake reset, oil reset, steering angle reset, battery reset, you put a new battery on it, brake bleeding, electric throttle relearn, and a DPF regen. And it's got all the other stuff that you'd get anyway. Not much more to say about it really. It plugs in, it's wired, it's only got 4 systems. So you've got engine, so ECU, your transmission, ABS, and your SRS, seatbelt restraint system. I think you can put other modules on it, but it'll cost you to put it on. So then you've got to work out, is it worth spending a little bit more to start with? One thing this has got going for it is lifetime updates for free on the 4 modules that it's got and the resets. So there's only 7 resets on this. Now I think on my Top Don RT-Diag 900 there's 32 resets, I believe. So yeah, if you're using it a lot and you want to go into all systems on your car, it might be better to spend a little bit more money. But if you only want to go into 4 systems, just do basic diagnosis. It's 160 euros, I think. Obviously these get sent to me, and I know probably they get a little bit boring, all these diagnostic videos, but it is what it is, isn't it? They all pretty much do the same sort of thing, but others have got slightly better functions. But it's like everything, you get what you pay for. I do like the 2-year, the lifetime upgrades for free. You know, it's a bonus, isn't it? But there you go. So I'm going to sort of sign this video off now. I will put links in the description if you're interested. But yeah, it works. It recognised the car straight away. I'd messing about with firmware updates to start with, and I've had to come down to the house, as I mentioned before. But yeah, it's pretty good. It does the job. It does what it says on the tin. But if you want to go into deep diving and stuff, it's like the live readings on the engine side of thing. It brought up the boost actuators and the command prompts for the turbo boost, which I was having an issue with. Restricted performance on the passenger side bank turbo actuator. Now, it could be the turbo actuator was sticking, it could be leaking boost pipe, or it could be a bloody rocker cover split. We shall never know. It hasn't done it since. I've got an airport run on Wednesday, so when I get on the motorway, I'll try it. If it does it again, we know there's a further issue. But yeah, that all showed up on live readings on like the data stream, and there's so many things you can select on the data stream. It's unbelievable. Yeah, Launch CRP123e version 2. Anyway, catch you next video. Bye for now.